Atkins Civil 3D video series, General 2, General Notes and Quantities. This video illustrates A. Create notes drawing, B. Create quantities drawing, and C. Create boring logs drawing. General notes and project quantities are generally included on a sheet near the front of the set of drawings. The general notes and construction notes are drawn on a scale of 1 inch equals 1 foot on a single drawing that is XREF into the sheet production drawing and other drawings. The project quantities are drawn on a scale of 1 inch equals 1 foot on a separate drawing that is XREF into the sheet production drawing. The quantity should be estimated and shown for separate areas and contain a combined total. One comment about quantities. The quantity should be estimated as accurately as possible. However, the estimated quantities should only be displayed to 2 or 3 significant figures. Displaying more than 3 significant figures is never justified for the estimated quantities. The actual quantities will be determined to more than 3 significant figures. Field borings are taken at various locations along a project, and laboratory tests are performed to determine the characteristics of the subsoils. The boring logs are generally drawn at a scale of 1 inch equals 1 foot on a separate drawing that is XREF'd into a sheet production drawing. For this video, the boring logs drawing will be XREF'd into the general notes and quantities sheet production drawing. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.